Hi children, have a good day. Welcome to our maths class. Today it is session 4 of chapter 5 division. So today we are going to discuss about estimating quotients. So last session we discussed how to divide a number by 10, 100 and 1000. Today we are going to see about estimating quotients. So there are some methods of estimating quotients. With the help of the following steps, we can discuss. The first step is, for estimating quotients, we will round off each number nearest to the highest place. For example, if a 3-digit number is to be rounded off, then it will be rounded off to the nearest 100 because highest place value is 100. So for a 3-digit number, you have to round off to the highest place value 100. If it is 4-digit number, the highest place value is 1000. So we round off to the nearest 1000 place. So this is the first rule. So the first rule is you have to round off to the highest place value. Second rule. So the second rule is the number can be rounded off with the help of the rules. So we know there are two rules for estimation. So the first one is if the digit to the right of the highest place is less than 5, the number gets rounded down. So if you are choosing the number which is less than 5, then the number will be rounded down. Also, second rule, if the digit to the right of the highest place is greater than or equal to 5. So if it is greater than or equal to 5, the number gets rounded up. So these are the two steps to be followed for estimating quotients. Now let's see one example. Estimate the quotient of 324 by 12. So we are going to round off two numbers, 324 by 12. So what is the first rule? You have to see the number. So it is a 3-digit number. So for the 3-digit number, the highest place value is 100. So while rounding off to the nearest tens, so the tens place is 2. So if you are rounding off for the number 2, it is less than 5. So if a number is less than 5, the number will be rounded down. So 324 is rounded to 300. Next, second number, it is 12. So for the divisor 12, it is a 2-digit number. So the highest place value is tens. So by seeing the ones place, it is 2. So 2 is also less than 5. So 12 is rounded as 10. So now we know the two numbers 300 and 10. So now 310 is the estimated numbers. So by finding the estimated quotient, 300 when divided by 10, the quotient is 30. So this is the rule for finding estimating quotients. So likewise, you have to see the number, choose the highest place value and see the estimation rule, whether it is less than 5 or greater than 5 and round off the numbers. After rounding off, use division and find out the quotient. Okay children, so today your classwork part will be on your concept book. Do practice zone 7 in page number 77. Also, your homework part will be on your workbook. Do question number 7 in page number 52. Once you have completed your homework, hand in Google Classroom app, grade 4 Maths. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.